Feel the ground wake up. Feel the ground wake up. My feet on the crack city stone. In a rhythm like it's carved in bone. Smoke rising from a broken street where the past and future meet. Strength groove in a metal frame, different sound but the blood is same. Djembe talks in a primal tone, says you were never alone. Let it echo through the steel and wire. This rhythm feeds the inner fire. We are the concrete tribe at night. Reggae roots with a metal bite. Djembe thunder, distorted skies. Ancient truth never the fallen city. Beautiful, broken, loud and gritty. Djembe, thunder, guitar, scream. Living inside the same old dream. No escape, no disguise. We are the sound that never dies. Streetlights flicker, spirits dance, lost inside a violent trance. Bassline crawling through the pain, like survival in the rain. Every drum hit shakes the wall, echoes of our primal call. From the roots beneath the ground, we become the sacred sound. Hear it echo in your chest. Nothing here will ever rest. We are the rhythm of the fallen city. Beautiful, broken, loud and gritty. Djembe, thunder, guitar, scream. Living inside the same old dream. No escape, no disguise. We are the sound that never dies. Rise up. Rise up, break the sky. We don't live, we never die. From the ashes we unite. Drums of war in the night. Fight. I feel the city in my veins. I feel the fire in my pain. No control, no reason why. We are the storm that never dies. We are the rhythm of the fallen city. Beautiful, broken, loud and gritty. Djembe, thunder, guitar, scream. We are more than just a dream. No chains left, no disguise. We are the sound that never dies. Listen, the ground is breathing. Aye. 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 The smoke rising from the burning sand. Footprints shaking this broken land. Hear the djembe call my name like it knows my hidden pain. Moonlight carving on my face, lost inside a sacred place. Every rhythm, every tone feels like calling me back home. Something ancient wakes inside, like a storm I cannot hide. From the silence to the scream, breaking through my every dream. Hey, fire beneath the skin, let the tribal war begin. Hey, no more losing, no more sin. Feel some sacred sound. Djembe calling through the night. Make your shadows in the light. Smoke and fire in the air. Freedom screaming everywhere. Roots run deep, but the rage is near. Two worlds clash when I appear. Heartbeat, tribal, electric soul. Lose control, let it roll. This is jungle voltage. Reggae fire in a metal cage. Djembe thunder, guitar scream. Living wild inside the dream. Break the silence broken street where the past and future meet. Skank groove in a metal frame, different sound but the blood's the same. Djembe talks in a primal tone, says you were never alone. Let it echo through the steel and wire. This rhythm feeds the inner fire. We are the concrete tribe at night, reggae roots with a metal bite. Djembe thunder distorted skies, ancient We claim the light. From the roots we take our stand. Drum and steel across the land. No control. No machine. We are the sound between the same. Earth and fire, blood and stone. We rise up, we're not alone. We are stealing sacred fire, burning higher, rising higher. Djembe, thunder, metal roar. We are something so much more. No chains left, no final call. We are the sound that breaks it all. We are the sound that breaks it all. Dust and steel in the morning light. Voices buried in endless night. Djembe calling from underground. Ancient thunder in a modern sound. I walk through fire, I walk